Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you one of the things we get to do from the shop. A lot of mobile installers may not be able to do with your Victron system. Stay tuned. So we're here at the shop, and sometimes there's just places where things don't fit right. Something needs to be made to make that happen. Sometimes there are specialty parts that we have designed ourselves that do things that other people don't even think about doing. So one of the things I'm going to show you today is the Victron Touch. And this RV has kind of a strange setup, and we were having a little bit of trouble figuring out where we were going to put this. So I'm just going to show you around. Here's the entrance door. When you first walk in, there's a wall here, but this is a pocket door, so we can't run the wire down the pocket door. Could damage the wire, could damage the door. We're not into doing that. A lot of times they have these cabinets in these fifth wheels, and usually this is all flat, and you can mount the touch screen here somewhere. Well, in this case, it's not. So we had to run the wire through this wall. Here's the touch screen with the cover on it, and it needs to be mounted here. But if we mounted it here, the wire would all be visible here. So what I did was I used a 3D printer to design a part that we can put over this, make it look nice and pretty. Touchscreen can be on it, wires are all hidden, and it looks nice. And when you're out on the road, especially people who travel around in RVs, it's hard to have something like this to do this with. So I have a 3D printer here at the shop, and I have a 3D printer at my home office, so we can do just about anything we need to do. The one that's at home is a very large one, so it allows me to make bigger parts. And for this, what we have designed is this box. You can see it's thick, it's got screw mounting points, it's smooth. So what we're going to do is we're going to mount that touchscreen to the front of this. The hole in the back there, right here, is so that the wires can go through. On the side, we've got a little notch there, so the wires can go through the back, through the hole. You don't even get to see it. So I'm just going to put that on there, let you take a quick look. So it's not complete yet, right? We haven't mounted this yet, but I can kind of show you. It's going to sit right there. It's going to sit a little closer to this door, a little easier to touch. And it hides everything here. So nobody's going to see any wires, any ugliness. It's just going to look good. Now, we think the finished product turned out amazing. Let us know in the comments below what you think about the finished product. This is just one of the things that we make. We make a lot of things here. There are a lot of custom things that we can build, and we do that for our customers. It's one of the things that separates us from a lot of people. I actually design everything. I make my own files. I'm not pulling stuff off of the internet to make for you. It's all custom designed for your RV. So with Go RV Solar, this is Jason. I just showed you one of the differences of being at a shop compared to a mobile guy, especially a guy traveling around the country in his RV. He doesn't have the space. He can't have a 3D printer bouncing around in his RV. So this is one of the things we can do that typically they can't.